Stop counting your coins, start counting your allies, exposing the true wealth in unity, as told by an ancient Kashmiri proverb. Down south, we often say that a good neighbor is worth more than a distant cousin. But in Kashmir, they take this idea a step further. They believe that unity, coming together with others, is like holding a treasure trove of 1,000 golden coins. Imagine that, 1,000 coins just by being in harmony with those around you. Now, why do you reckon they say that? It's because when we unite, we share. We share problems, solutions, joys, and sorrows, and through sharing, our burdens are lighter and our joys are doubled. It's like each person's strength, each person's spirit, adds to the wealth of the group. So next time y'all think of wealth, think beyond the green bills and shiny coins. Think of the people around you, the community you belong to. That right there, that's your real treasure. Because remember, together we ain't just strong, we're unstoppable. Like 1,000 golden coins all shining together.